Earwax, or cerumen, is a waxy substance found in your ears. Glands in your ear canal produce earwax to protect structures deeper inside your ear. Earwax also keeps your ears hydrated. It keeps dirt, dust and germs that cause infections away from your eardrum, too. Your ears naturally shed old earwax and make new earwax to replace it. What is earwax? Earwax, also known as cerumen, pronounced cerumen, is a waxy substance inside your ears. Glands in your ear canal, the tunnel that goes from your ear opening to your eardrum, make earwax. Lots of people think of earwax as dirty or a nuisance, but it's actually essential to keeping your ears healthy. Earwax nourishes and protects the skin inside your ear. And it prevents harmful substances, like dirt and germs, from reaching your eardrum. It does all this without requiring upkeep. Older earwax naturally falls out bit by bit over time. Your ears automatically make new earwax to replace it. This is why there's no need to stick objects like cotton swabs inside your ears to clean them. This can actually damage your ears. Types of earwax: there are two main types of earwax, wet and dry. Which type you have depends on your genetics. Specifically, it depends on whether you have the dominant or recessive variant of the ABCC11 gene. Wet earwax is dominant, most common. It's soft, sticky and more likely to be yellow or brown. This type is most common among people of European and African descent. Dry earwax is recessive, least common. This type is dry, flaky and more likely to be gray or tan. It's most common among people of East Asian descent.